It starts with just a base, a trowel, and a handful of tiny bricks. One brick at a time. Mortar, place, press. The walls rise slowly. Patience is the real blueprint. A window finds its frame. Light needs a way in, a door, a tiny mailbox. Every detail tells a story. The roof set place. Shelter finally complete. Tile by tile, the pattern locks in. Satisfying, isn't it? A chimney for the smoke, a dusting of age for character, a touch of moss at the base, the last brush sweep. And just like that, a whole world built by hand.